UNDP, pavilion no? Ha? Pavilion. Kaya lang din?
Tara, may pavilion oh. Kano, pavilion man.
Pavilion hall.
Oh.
Sir, entrance?
Pass.
Pwede ka Hi, sir.
Ay, guwapa ba? Ay, hello ma'am. Kita na po siya.
Third floor sa tawag building.
Ano si tao? Yuko, oo.
Ito sila ano ito? Kung gusto kayo sa una, pwede stop production, doon na sila ano? Wala yata di pa to.
Ano sa?
Sa to, CB1.
Muna siya, Dome 3. Power Suites. Dito.
Walay pagod-pagod, ako'y dakong general, sa kay general diri ko nagdako diri ko ipanganak.
Actually, na-prepare welcome message, pero Bisaya man si Sir Nonoy, pero ang nasa online, but anyway, just would like to recognize, I think meron tayo dito sa transport group. Can I request, pwede ako request, mga nasa
Alright. Unsa na gyud ning Global Accelerator mga ginatawag? Unsa ning ginatawag na Global Accelerator on Jobs and Social Protection for Just Transition. So, para
Gustong i-address ng mga stakeholders. Kasama na dyan yung, di ba, tripartite, no? Nandyan yung, yung employers, mga workers, and the government. So, kailangan pagtulungan para to address various labor market. Yun po sa ating lahat. Again, magandang Jensen. So it's good to see Ma'am Kokoy in person. Kanina sa through Zoom lang, no? And other consultants na dumating na po. So we are glad to see you. Sabi nga namin, sana mas maganda pag mas marami yung naging participants natin. Anyway, baka bukas mayroon ding madagdag pa, especially mga government agencies. Okay, so once again to the officials and staff of the Department of Labor and Employment, both Central and Region 12, and also representatives from the United Nations country team, as mentioned earlier, the ILO, UNICEF, and UNDP, officials and representatives from regional line agencies, private sector partners, civil society organizations, mga participants natin, workers, and all other guests and participants. Ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, and once again, magandang Jensen. So on behalf of our Regional Director, Florita A. Ridao, who was not able to join us today, as she attended an equally important engagement, including a meeting with our RDC 12 chairperson, because tomorrow we will be having our RDC meeting at Alabel. So today, they conducted a courtesy call kay Chair to brief her about the concerns that will be tackled tomorrow sa RDC meeting. Okay? So, let me read her message. I quote, on behalf of the Department of Economy, Planning and Development Regional Office 12, I would like to extend our sincerest gratitude to all participants for your active participation and insightful contributions. So, kanina nag-workshop na, and tomorrow pa na magiging contributions, no? To the consultation and workshops this day and including tomorrow. So your active engagement, invaluable insights, expert opinions, and recommendations are key factors to making regional consultations for Global Accelerator Roadmap on decent jobs and social protection for just transitions a success. So, until bukas, no? Through this consultation and workshop sessions, we have identified initially kaninang umaga sa workshop key challenges, surfaced innovative solutions, and laid groundwork for identifying inclusive, sustainable, and rights-based strategies and indicators that will guide our collective efforts in shaping a roadmap that reflects the realities and aspirations of the transport and construction sectors, the two vital engines of employment in the Philippines. As we move forward, the inputs and insights gathered here will be vital in crafting policy reforms, capacity building initiatives, and collaborative partnerships that support the Philippine Development Plan, the Trabaho para sa Bayan Plan, the Labor and Employment Plan, the Social Protection Plan, and yung Social Protection Floor Plan mentioned this morning. No? So together, we will be building a future where every Filipino worker, especially those in the vulnerable sectors, can thrive in safe, dignified, and resilient employment, especially in the transport and construction sectors. So we encourage our regional line agencies, the private sector, and other stakeholders to continue this partnership with commitment and collaboration, ensuring that the Global Accelerator Roadmap becomes a living framework for transformative change and continue to the realization of the objectives of the Trabaho para sa Bayan plan. So we look forward to your continued support and participation in the next phases of this important initiative. So muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat and rise, Soc Surgeon. Magandang